Hey, I'm Paul with Custom Dynamics, and today we're going to be installing our new ProBEAM Flat Bezel on this 2006 Ultra Classic. The ProBEAM Flat Bezel lets you take our standard ProBEAM bullet style turn signal and convert them to work in the Harley-Davidson flat pancake style housing. This makes the product modular, so it has many different applications. This is a simple upgrade that adds dimension and style to your stock turn signal housing. The ProBEAM flat bezels are available in chrome or gloss black finishes and come with smoke, clear, amber, or red lenses. Our flat bezels are available separately or as a complete set. To get started, remove the existing lens and turn signal bulb from the turn signal housing. Lay the ProBEAM flat bezel lens face down and insert the ProBEAM LED turn signal into the flat bezel lens. Gently bend the two flat bezel lens turn signal holding tabs down. Confirm the proper orientation of the socket base and insert the ProBEAM LED turn signal base into the socket. Twist the flat bezel lens a few rotations to coil the wire from the ProBEAM LED turn signal into the socket base. Install the flat bezel lens onto the turn signal housing and secure with the provided screws. Check the operation of the turn signals in all modes. The ProBEAM flat bezel is a simple upgrade to your ProBEAM turn signals. You can check out all the options at CustomDynamics.com or by visiting your local drag specialties dealer.